Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White. This peach by Color Club called Hot 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 Pants. This is a dark pink reddish polish by Creative Play called Well Red. And this purple by Creative Play called Drama Mama. So I already painted my nails with the white polish, and I wanted to show you a really quick and fast way to do a smushy. Instead of putting it on a sandwich bag or another nail stamp, I'm going to apply it directly onto my nails. You can add as many dots that you want. And then using my clear jelly stamp, I'm just going to mix the colors together to create the smushy. You can go a little crazy with it. Don't overdo it. You want to be able to see the difference in the colors. Then using my Winstonia Eastern Beauty nail plate, I'm just going to apply a pretty nice stamp design, of course, using black polish. I just thought this stamp design is really pretty. It brought the whole look together. It's very feminine and girly. You can use any plate or design that you want. And once I was done, I removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this. This is like a really quick and easy design. So I hope I made it easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And I hope you liked it. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.